shows that over half of the people involved in pretext stops were black or Hispanic, and according to census data, most San Diegans are white. That led to this week's meeting with officers, the oversight agency, and members of the community. Black activist Tasha Williamson tells NBC7, when a group of people start to feel targeted, they feel like they're not free.
They feel that they are less than human beings.
This is the commission's second round of meetings following a series of them in March on police pursuits.
Mourners are holding a memorial service for the Reverend Al Sharpton's longtime lawyer, Michael Anthony Hardy. New York City Mayor Eric Adams is among those delivering remarks at the First Corinthian Baptist Church in Harlem. Hardy served as general counsel for Sharpton's longtime National Action Network since its beginning. He died in a New York City hospital last month from cancer. He was 69 years old.
New Jersey's acting governor, Tahisha Way, who is black, has ordered state flags to fly at half-staff this weekend in honor of Justice James H. Coleman, Jr., who passed away last week at 91. Way calls Coleman a lifelong trailblazer and says his life embodies the intertwined history of inequality and progress in our country. Coleman was born the son of a sharecropper in racially segregated Virginia and broke down racial barriers when he became the first black justice to serve on the state's Supreme Court in 1994.
Finally, African-American track coach Michael Hardaway is hoping to continue a legacy of Olympic winners as he sends the high school. Most of his student athletes don't even know legendary Olympic medalists Jesse Owens and Harrison Barrett trained at the school. Some of them have been a lot of research on the explain who Jesse Owens was. Some of them were amazed that he would have just graduated at the time of in 2020.
I'm Esther Dillard, along with Doug Davis, on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network. Now, your Washington Roundup.
Major banks are under investigation for mishandling customer funds on Zelle. The Wall Street Journal reporting the Consumer Protection Bureau is investigating J.P. Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and other institutions who use the platform and the way they handle customer disputes. Zelle is a digital payment network owned by 7 major banks and has drawn attention from lawmakers and regulators because of the number of scams associated with it. Now this, President Biden says he's not confident at all a peaceful transfer of power will take place if former President Trump loses the election. In an interview with CBS News, Biden said that people were not taking Trump's past comments about a bloodbath seriously. He added that Trump needs all the stuff he says regarding a bloodbath if he loses the election, with Biden saying you can't love your country only when you win. And that's your Washington Roundup. I'm Mike Moore from your 24/7 news source of Black Information Network and VINnews.com.
Did you know that your melanin-rich brown skin is a natural wonder? It's our armor against the sun. But even superheroes need protection. Whether you're just outside for brunch with friends or taking a walk around the neighborhood, sunscreen is the best protection. Because it isn't just for the beach. It's an everyday essential. It helps shield your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing signs of premature aging, sunspots, and even skin cancer. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's self-love. We all deserve a little self-love, and CVS is your ally in skin health no matter what you're looking for. From moisturizers with SPF to dermatologist-tested skincare, CVS shelves are stocked with a wide range of skincare products, specially curated for diverse needs. From brands like Black Girl Sunscreen to Elf Invisible Sunscreen. So protect your natural glow, celebrate your uniqueness, and let CVS support you on your beautiful skin health journey. Even if you're having skin issues, you can schedule a skin assessment with a Minute Clinic provider. Stop by your local CVS today. Learn more at CVS.com.
The Bay Area's BIN 910 is powered in partnership with Direct Relief and Chevy. Thank you for partnering with a purpose on the Black Information Network.
I'm Amber Payton. Here's the latest on the Black Information Network. A police oversight agency in San Diego, California is weighing in on another police procedure, a pretext stop. When a police officer pulls someone over for a minor violation in order to look for other crimes, that's called a pretext stop. NBC reports data from 2019 to 2023 shows that over half of the people involved in pretext stops were black or Hispanic, and according to census data, most San Diegans are white. That led to this week's meeting with officers, the oversight agency, and members of the community. Former President Donald Trump claimed his January 6, 2021 rally had a larger crowd than Martin Luther King Jr.'s 1963 I Have a Dream speech. Speaking at a Mar-a-Lago news conference, Trump defended his role in the Capitol riot and He urged supporters to protest peacefully while challenging President Biden's 2020 victory. That's the latest. I'm Amber Payton on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and MBytes.com.
I'm Vanessa Tyler.
And I'm Mike Stevens on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network. Our top story, the red-hot race. Polls show Team Harris surging, resulting in Team Trump asking for multiple debates. The vice president has agreed to the ABC debate September 10th. Trump is asking her to commit to 3 debates as Harris gains with independents and African Americans. All that talk of Trump gaining more black votes appears to be dissipating.
So what happened to the high poll numbers, as much as 12 to 15% of blacks, in particular black men, going for Donald Trump? Well, some still are. Trump needs them now more than ever. Voters like Anthony Montgomery, a young businessman whose business is Trump.
You guys have any extra larges in the black I'll be back shirt?
When I was assigned to cover the Republican National Convention in Milwaukee recently for the Black Information Network, I met Anthony, a black, young, he's just 26, diehard Trump supporter.
And so you're at every Trump rally?
Yes, if I'm not there, my team is definitely there. You would definitely see 365 campaign there, yes.
So, as Trump accepted the Republican nomination, Anthony Montgomery was accepting too, accepting MasterCard, Visa, and of course, cold hard cash. See, Anthony never misses a Trump rally, and he certainly wasn't going to miss the RNC convention because this black Gen Zer is making a killing selling MAGA gear. His retail display is huge, and he has a staff of bustling workers.
I became a Trump supporter, so first I started off with President Obama. I was proud that my president was black. I'm a young black man, so I want to see accomplishments for African-American men. President Trump had a speech and he said, for the black community, what do you have to lose when, voting for me?
Look how much African-American communities have suffered under Democratic control. To those I say the following. What do you have to lose by trying something new like Trump? What do you have to lose?
That's why me and my family, we took the chance and we never looked back.
So he and his family loaded up on the Trump gear. His parents even met Trump, and he proudly repeats the talking points.
Honestly, with President Trump in office, it's the closest thing to the American dream that we have. We try and keep that. We want to make America safe again. Of course, make America great again.
But is this for real? Let Team Trump tell it. They have dug into the Democrats and siphoned off many more black votes than the last time. But South Carolina Congressman James Clyburn says don't believe the hype. The highly respected black lawmaker says black people, certainly the women and the black men, are not ever going to pull the lever for Donald Trump in the numbers a few polls may show.
I don't think that's true at all. The fact of the matter is, I don't believe for one moment that Donald Trump will get 15% of the African-American vote. That's not going to happen.
Hear the rest of this story and more on my podcast, Blackland, on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Vanessa Tyler with Mike Stevens on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
I'm Bill Black with another Bet You Didn't Know music fact. This is Stephanie Mills. And the former Broadway musical star and Grammy-winning R&B singer has revealed that famous R&B singers run deep in her family tree. It turns out Stephanie Mills' real cousins are Casey and JoJo of the group Jodeci. Now, Casey and JoJo have other famous singing cousins as well. Take, for instance, Dave Hollister, who once sang lead vocals for the R&B group Blackstreet. And then the first cousins to Casey and JoJo is Fantasia. That's a lot of vocal power in that family and a hell of a R&B family tree. I'm Bill Black, and that's another Bet You Didn't Know music fact on the Black Information Network.
America's trusted black voice.
The Black Information Network. The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News on San Francisco's BIN 910. San Francisco is using a new crime-fighting tool. Drones are helping officers make arrests
The police department has 6 of them, with more on the way. San Francisco Police Chief Bill Scott, who is black, says the drones have already proven valuable in several car burglaries and catching a sexual assault suspect. He shared video of some of the cases in which the district attorney says is also key to filing charges and ultimately getting convictions. And speaking of crime, police in Oak...